Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to preview your form in Google Forms. Open your Google form in edit mode. You can get to it through Google Drive or by going to docs.google.com/forms. When the form opens, you'll see the form editor with all your questions displayed and a toolbar at the top right. Look at the top right corner of the form editor and click the eye icon. That's the preview button. The preview opens in a new browser tab or window. Scroll through the preview to see exactly what your form will look like to respondents. The preview shows the form from the respondent's perspective, so all the editing tools are hidden. You can fill out the form just like a real respondent would, which lets you test all your questions, answer types, and any conditional logic you've set up. When you're done reviewing, close the preview tab to go back to your editing window. You'll be back in the form editor, with all the editing tools available. You can preview as many times as you want throughout the editing process. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. The form saves automatically as long as you're connected to the internet, so you don't need to worry about losing changes. Once you've made your final edits, do one more preview before you share the form with your audience to catch any last tweaks. Thanks for watching.